AMC is getting near the $3 mark, everybody. As you can see here from this big trend that we discussed today, we've got a pullback back in 2025 in September after we had two bad earnings. But this has changed after this good earnings back this May, 6th of May 2026. And of course, we follow it with good revenue last of 20th of July. And we got a reversal from almost the $1. And right now, almost tripled the price toward the $3 or almost the $3, around the $2. Let's see, $2.84. So are we gonna have the $3 for this month of August before the end of the summer or not? Because we got, as we said before, two buyers last time. We have the bad news of the offering price, and the price went down until the 160, not the $1. Push back up, another gap up around the earnings, and we continue to go higher. So before we go further, remember, guys, our content always for educational purposes only, and of course we always do update on our Discord and Patreon for mini stock that's squeezing, of course, like CYCU that jumped from the $1 until almost the $3, as you can see here, jumped until the $3 and then pulled back down. We always discuss mini stocks and our Discord and Patreon before the market open and after we finish our live streaming that we do daily 15 minutes before the market open. So stay tuned for tomorrow. Make sure to put a notification on and subscribe in order to be notified once we go live tomorrow. To respond on your question, of course, because usually I don't see the comments and prefer replying live is better to reply on all your questions. So for now, guys, AMC is getting near the $3.04, which is the squeeze zone, for my opinion. Last time we went until the $2.84. So technically, if we held over the $2.92, would be a significant sign that we might squeeze next week. And the good thing is, even the market was down and red the last few days, we got this reversal up for AMC, bounced from the $2.11, which clearly where we got a big buyer again after the earning here around the $2.11. That's why we pumped up some more. And the last, of course, the last add up for the whales before the earnings around the $2.65. So it's two strategic bounce for AMC before the squeeze around the $3, of course. And for GameStop, nothing much happening. It's still had a little bit of bounce from this channel. As we discussed before, GameStop had a try to squeeze around this level. As you can see here, we have escape for GameStop after hours back here and then now here. So as long as we hold the $20.87 would be good for GameStop to squeeze up. And of course, this is the first sign. That's why we did this line, the white line, which is acting as a resistance, and we broke it last Tuesday. But we didn't have a continuation. So that's why we had another level to confirm the squeeze, which is around the 23.68. But for AMC, it's clearly around the $3 or $3.04 to go toward the $4. So right now we're missing toward this, to squeeze toward the $4, almost 40%. Is not a big deal because we already did almost 72% in less than 1 month, guys. Every time AMC, when it reverse, it have a pullback, of course, like what happened here. The pullback, it took just 2 weeks, and the reversal took almost less than 1 month, is almost 23 days for the reversal up, or 3 weeks. So you see how volatile AMC is. So that's why we said 40% is not a big deal because we already did 67% in less than 1 month or 3 weeks. For here, we might do this jump for the next month. Of course, in 2 weeks, if we jumped over $3, we might have the $4, then the $5.55 before the end of the next month. This would be the best kind of price for AMC to test at least before the end of next month. The $4 will be the best plausible level. And of course, the $5.55 would be the optimum level for AMC to go. And of course, the mega squeeze will happen directly around the $5.55. But the first squeeze or mini squeeze, for my opinion, will happen after we break the $3 and go toward the $4 or almost 40% jump or squeeze for AMC. Right now, we are 23% from the support where the market maker bought the last position. They added around this last position. Let me just show you where they added before. The first level, the whale added their position was around the 93. Then they added here around the 15 of May around the $1.25. Then here, the third time around the $1.66. And after that, after the earnings, of course, they added around the $2.12. So four times they added four times for AMC. And of course, the main level they added at is 3 levels. Okay, the main levels they added is just 3 here around March, May, and July. So every month we got a whale buying the dip for AMC. So now we got August. We might have a pullback. Then they will add the fourth time around the $2.12 to give us the $4. So you see, there's a pattern. 3 months, every month we have a pullback and we have a buying pressure. The buying pressure always have a huge jump like this here, almost 100% from here to there, 130%, and from here to there, just 70%. So we expect another 144% around the $4 without a pullback. So this is the best case scenario, is jumping for the next week toward the $4, then pulling back again around the $2.24, then squeezing toward the $5.55. Let me know, guys, in comment section below, is this the game plan for AMC? Is the whale still buying or not? Are we gonna have the $4 or the even $5.55 by the next month or this month in August before the end of this month or not? Let me know in comment section below. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Have a great weekend and see you back by tomorrow, 15 minutes before the market open on our YouTube. And before that, on our Discord and Patreon to hunt for other stocks. Thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.